Hello everyone, this is Dr. Bogdan Moldoveanu and I'm glad to have with me here Dr. Pierre Dimitrov from Bulgaria, who will be joining us at this year's Reendo meeting, and he will be discussing about probably the most important aspect in endodontic treatment and retreatment, which is the restorative part. Because endodontic itself, without a quality restorative element, is really of no use for the patient. So, Pierre, if you can just let us know a little bit about what are the topics that you are going to touch on during your presentation.
Hi, Bogdan, and hello, everyone. First of all, I just want to say I'm super excited to join you guys at the Reendo meeting. A lot of big names in the endodontic field that I've been looking up to for a long time, including you, Bogdan.
Thank you very much.
It feels nice to be in such a great company, and I'm sure you're going to have a really interesting and nice event. So thanks for the invitation. Yeah, my topic is a bit different than the other speakers. It's about the restorative part, including the endodontic treatment. So we're going to take a quick look at the latest tendencies and techniques about pre-endodontic buildup, depending on the type of restoration that we've chosen after the endo treatment has been done. So crowns or overlays. We're going to also look at some adhesive techniques and tendencies for the post-endodontic restoration in terms of indirect ceramic restorations, partial restorations, and also explore the limits a bit of direct restorations when we have endodontic treatment. So I think this will be helpful for people that are doing the whole endo restorative part, or just people that are doing the restorative, so they will know how to approach certain cases, how to prepare them for the referral for the endodontist. So I think this is a really brief scenario of my lecture.
And I'm sure that you're going to also be able to answer, if not in the presentation, surely on the hallway, one of the questions that is definitely on the lips of everyone doing dentistry. Do we need the fiberglass post or not? So don't answer it now. Leave it to the meeting. But I'm sure that you'll
yes.
answer.
Let's just say we will look at some postless options that we have in terms of restorations, and I will try to explain my logic behind using or not using posts. So yeah, that's going to be obviously a hot topic.
Yeah,
I know a lot of people like posts, but I honestly, I don't think we need them all the time.
Yeah, probably in most of the cases, we can do that. But let's explore the topic once we meet up.
Yes.
So, Pierre, thank you very much for
accepting
my invitation, for being with us in December this year. So everyone, if you want to get rid of your endodontic nightmares and be able to provide quality care for your patients, not just from an endodontic point of view, but also from a restorative point of view, be sure to join us this winter and visit also beautiful Transylvania. So Pierre, thank you once again and keep in touch, my friend.
Thank you. See you soon.